I just arrived at Bukit Batok station. It's so late. I'm so late. I woke up so late. And because I'm lazy, I'm gonna ride the bus. Waiting for the bus now. My bus is here. Let's go. Okay, hi guys. So I just alighted from my bus, and if you're wondering which bus stop I stopped, it's at block. Where is that? What's there? Block 240, which is the nearest bus stop you can get to reach Bukit Batok Nature Park. So now I'm walking towards there. I'm just gonna find my way. I think it's quite far, or maybe 15 minutes walk. And I'm still wearing my top because I don't want to get burned. It's super hot. I woke up so late this morning. That's why it's super hot. I think this is the wrong decision. But anyways, I'm still wearing this so that my skin won't get burned just like last time. So let's find our way going there. Okay, so I think I'm here. It's quite far from the bus stop. It's so hot. But this is the way going there. So I think I'm near. There's a lot of trees. So let's walk to the entrance. So hot, can you see? Okay, so I'm here. I'm sweating like hell. It's so far, but yay, I'm here. Let's start walking. And I'll take off my top so that I feel refreshed when walking. Let's go inside. It's so hot. So this is the nature park entrance. And we're gonna see the map. So I think I'm going the long way. And another quarry right there. Quarry? But there's another quarry right there, which is the same as Little Goylin. So let's start walking. So I decided to take the road track. There's a forest track, but then I think this one is also gonna pass by the forest track. So I'm just gonna take this longer road track. And can you hear the chickens? I can see them though. So let's start walking. I'm sweating like hell. Help me. So this is the starting point of the road track, which I saw on the map. So let's get walking. I think this is one of the forest track, but I'd like to go this way. And look at the trees. It's super nice here. There's another forest track right there. So maybe when I'm going back, I'm just gonna take one forest track, but not for now. I'm gonna take this road track as well as at the end of this road track there's also a forest track. So this one's just like a combination of the two. So yes, though it's longer, but yeah, let's make the most out of it. Okay, I've been walking for like 10 minutes and see what I found. I'm here. Finished the road track. So I'm going over to the forest track and see the quarry. So yes, super hot. Look at the sun. OMG. And yes, this is the start of the forest track. Tree is super nice. So yes, this is the end of the road track, and you can see the map right there. And this is the start of the forest track. I'm near. Yes, it's much cooler in here, but the problem is I forgot to put on some mosquito repellent, so I hope mosquitoes don't feed on me. I forgot. I was rushing because I woke up late. Bamboo tree right there, and I think there's a way there from the stand of the board map, and I didn't see. I just took the long way. Never mind. So yes, I just found out there's a way there from the map itself, and I took the very long way, which is a circular way. God. Anyways, let's go up. Let's climb up. It's good there's not a lot of people here right now. Maybe the quarry would be a little bit crowded because of the view. But let's see. Just right here. Okay, really? Can we eat that? Okay, I don't know which way to go, but I think let's just go to the World War II Memorial, because this one is going to the playground. I'm not going to the playground, so let's just try it out here. It's a lot of stairs right there. Okay, let's climb up. Okay, I think I made a mistake. I think the World War Memorial is like different from the thing, so I think the way to the playground is also the way to the quarry. But yes, let's just check out the World War Memorial, because we're already here. Let's just check it out. Look at the stairs. It's a never-ending stairs. Oh God, I think it's way up there. Super tired. Thought there would be no more stairs, but see this thing still have a lot of stairs. So yes, let's just keep climbing. OMG, why is it so high? I hope this is the last stairs. I'm so tired of climbing. If not a stairs, it's a slope. Oh my God. And look at that, another slope to climb up. Oh my God. I hope I finish soon. I'm super sweaty. So this is the World War II Memorial. I thought I was done with the stairs, but look at the stairs. I'm still thinking if I should climb it. But yeah, I decided to climb, so let's go start climbing to finish this up. Look at the steps, and I think this one's the memorial one. And let's go up there and see what we can find. The monkey's just chilling out there, maybe waiting for food. I thought I wouldn't find a monkey in here, but here they are. Hi there. Don't attack me. Okay, so this is the top of the stairs. There's nothing here, but you can see the transmission center right here, and no more. I'm panting like hell. The stairs are so high, and there's nothing in here on top of the stairs that you're gonna walk, but I'm scared to go in there, so I won't. I'm just gonna go back down again and see the quarry. So I thought I was gonna see something. I'm going down, but oh yeah, it's okay. Never mind. There's nothing more on the stairs. I mean, when you go up the stairs, there's nothing more. But okay, let's go back to the playground and see the quarry. My last stop would be the quarry, and let's get back to where we came from. Okay, so I think there's no way going to the quarry from the World War II Memorial. So you're just gonna go back down and follow the path to the playground. I think so. I hope I'm not wrong. But I'm going back down now and taking the stairs and slope again. Okay, it's so hot. I think all the water in my body is out because of sweat. And I forgot to drink water, or I mean bring water. And I can't find any vending machine nearby. So I'm just gonna make this one fast so I can eat and drink. Okay, so we've made out of the World War II Memorial, and let's go the other way for the playground or the quarry. Let's just see if the playground will lead us to the quarry. I'm just so tired. Chickens again roaming around. Can you see them? A lot of chickens, wild chickens. So yes, this is the way going to the playground, going down. So let's go. It's just a short way going to the quarry. And there you go. It's just right here. It's the same granite rock you have on the Tokoilin one. So pretty in here. I think prettier than the Togoyan one. So let's take some pictures. It's raining. How can I get home? Oh my god. So I'm gonna walk back now. Good thing I have this thing. I have my sweater. It's raining. Oh my god. And I'm gonna save my camera first before it gets soaked up with the rain. So it's the end of the video. I'm going back, walking back to the road. Bye guys. OMG, I made it. I made it out without the rain again, without the rain coming back. So yes, I made it back. Another goodbye for this video. Bye guys. So my final suggestions if you're going to Bukit Batok Nature Park is that if you wanna go straight to the, what do you call that, to the quarry and take pictures, you can just take the straight way ahead. It's just like around 10 minutes walk. But if you wanna explore more of the Bukit Batok Nature Park, you can go on the forest trails and also on the World War II Memorial. It's really super nice, so you should go explore it.